Now, 7 phases to brand identity design every professional uses. And then what we're going to be doing in this video, I'm going to show you how you can go through all of these phases with the help of AI. You can literally sit down within an hour or less and then go through all of this. So this is AI powered branding masterclass. And then we're going to run through that right now. The first thing we're going to do right here is to go through all of these phases. The first phase is strategic discovery and context mapping. This is usually the phase that every brand designer go through before they talk about the strategy, the positioning, and all of this. And what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to help you do this through AI. You don't have to waste time doing this. What we are literally doing here is that we're extracting data, we're getting information about the business we're about to do. And yes, we're going to go about it. The first thing we want to do here is that you are running the phase 1 with AI. Literally, you want to get data, you want to get insight from the market, what's going on in the market. You don't want to spend weeks, trying to interview people, do all of this. You want to do everything with AI. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to just copy this prompt that is here. You are going to copy this prompt that is here. Once that is copied, I'll go to a tool called Coin. I'm going to create a new chart and then I'm going to paste it there. Alright, so what I'm going to do right now is this. I'm going to delete this. Right, so you're a brand strategist preparing for the foundational discovery phase of a new brand or a rebrand. Your clients operate in, so you're going to change the industry. Let's say the food industry. Depending on where your clients operate, that's where you're going to put the food industry, right? And then the target audience, so you're going to put a primary target audience here. So I'm going to leave it as Gen Z. I'm going to leave it as Gen Z, eco-conscious urbanite in South, let's say South of Nigeria. I'm going to put that South Nigeria. But business objective is, so you're going to put the business objective here. Just cancel this and then put the business objective. I'm going to leave this as this. And that is the only thing you need to do. Here now for you need to be more conscious of what it is actually. You need to be more conscious and be more specific exactly what you're trying to do here. Because this is also a teaching. That's why I'm not being specific. I just put random stuff. But for you might need to be specific so that you can get accurate answer. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to copy this and first run through this thing. Now, this is Coin AI, but I'm going to be using another tool called Perplexity. Perplexity has access to the internet and it can give you real-time data, right? And we're going to use that too. What I'm going to do now, I'm using Perplexity Pro, and then I'm going to show you how you can access Perplexity Pro for free for 1 year. But for now, let's focus. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to paste the prompt here. Once the prompt is pasted here, remember we've already tweaked the prompt from the one we put in Coin AI. So I'm going to run it through this, right? I will leave that now. Now, so you can see that the AI model is searching the internet. It's trying to search for information. It's trying to analyze. Can you see that now? Can you see where it's getting the information we need from? Right? Can you see now? Very extensive. Can you see now? Now I'm going to now go to another tool, ChatGPT, which is the general one people know, and then I'm going to paste that there. The reason why I'm doing this is so that we can compare and then we can contrast between all of these three models. But my recommendation will always be, if you are looking for real life data, something that is happening currently now, real time, what you should use is Perplexity. You can also use Coin AI, but in this context now you can use Perplexity. Now you agree that because this prompt is so extensive, you don't need to worry about all of these things. Everything has been structurally and methodically developed to ensure that you can use it. What you just need to do, just put whatever industry you are here and then your target audience. That's what you need to do. Don't worry about all of these things, even though you really do not know much about them. Right? I can see now that ChatGPT is searching the internet, right? Searching all of this. So I'm going to leave this because this literally can take 6 minutes. The reason why this is taking so much is that the prompt is comprehensive and then it is prompted that it should search the internet. That's why it's taking its time. It can take up to 6 minutes, but I don't want to delay you because I just want to do this as a quick master class and then I get out of your screen, right? So I'm going to go back to Coin. Now that we have Coin, can you see that now? Now, brand discovery, food brand for Gen Z, eco-friendly conscious urbanite in Southeast Nigeria. Like, can you see that now? The market landscape snapshots, plant-based and local sourcing search. Google Trends show 190% growth in plant-based food Nigeria. Searches from 2021 to 2024. Urban use link local ingredients, e.g., fletched pumpkin or bonum. Can you see this now? Now, plastic regulation. Can you see what is happening right now? Now, there is Sabi Eat, there is Eco Kitchen, there is Fresh Bite Africa. Now, indirect competitors, there is Jumia Food and there is Farm Crowding in this southeast, right? Now, we have the audience needs and gap. Can you see this now? Cultural and ethical context. Can you see this now? International opportunity, in this area. Hyperlocal eco affordability, and then TikTok first, traceability and all of this. Can you see how extensive this thing is now? Now let's check perplexity. If we have that already, okay, this is okay. Let's check perplexity. Now, can you see this now? Perplexity is still searching the internet. Can you see now? Let's go to ChatGPT. Now, see what is happening right here. ChatGPT is still searching the internet. Now, you can see how the prompt has triggered the AI to search for information to make all of this things available, right? Now, this is literally what people do for weeks, for months, and then you are having this thing under 10 minutes or less. You are going to have the result. Can you see this now? I'm going to share with you the response I got from ChatGPT before now. Can you see now? Let's go. Now, look at the one I got before now. Now, the AI model thought for 6 minutes, 34 seconds, right? Now, below is a concise, evidence-based. Can you see this now? Now, market landscape snapshots. There are 3 macro trends: use plus rapid urbanization. There are digital ordering and quick commerce growth. There are rising interest and plant-based sustainable eating among urban customers. Can you see this now? Competitive set. Now, we have the direct plant forward healthy local brand, the veggie, the casa version, the parchment food, the botano. Can you see now? Indirect, Chowdeck, Jumia. Can you see this now? Now you can see that the responses that we're getting now are very similar, right? But of course, you can always compare and check outside of the AI model just to be sure. All right. Now, once you are done with that phase, the next thing you want to do now is to go to the second prompt that says, you're a brand strategist building a core brand strategy for a brand in, you put what you put before, targeting, what you already have in phase 1 with the goal of, you put the business objective, use only insight validated in phase 1, that is unmet needs, competitors, gaps, cultural context to craft a strategic foundation. Now, generates the following components, each grounded in real data, emphasis on real data, not aspiration. Now, purpose statement, positioning statement, brand pillars, brand archetype and personality, strategic guidance. This is all of the things that you can now copy now and go to your AI tool and put it there. Because this is just a short masterclass I just want to do, I am not going to be going high because it's going to take time. And this is why I'll be holding a 2-day masterclass on AI-powered branding for designers, agencies, and consultants. So if you're a brand identity designer, you're a brand developer, you're a strategist, and you want to save the time you spend on the 7 phases of brand identity design, this masterclass is for you. And then, if you're a business person who also wants to harness the power of artificial intelligence for branding, this is for you. It doesn't have to do with you having pro knowledge to brand identity design or artificial intelligence. In this month of October, I'm going to give you access to all of these prompts, right? And not that I'm going to be giving you access to this one. We are going to be building live brand identity from scratch, in just 2 days. So if this is what you want, click the link around this button and then sign up now before the slots get filled up, and then I'll see you in class.